Alright, so everybody is talking about AI lately. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna attempt and ask AI, ChatGPT, what does it think about penis size? Does it matter? How big is too big? And can you actually make your penis bigger? Let's get started. Okay, so what is the average penis size in the world? Okay, so the average penis size varies slightly depending on the study, but it's generally found to be around 5.1 to 5.5 inches, which is about 13 to 14 centimeters when erect, and around 3.6 inches, 9.16 centimeters when flaccid. It's important to note that penis size can vary greatly between individuals, and factors like ethnicity, age, and overall health can play a role in these variations. Remember, size is just one aspect of sexual health and performance, and it's not necessarily correlated with sexual satisfaction for either partners. Makes sense. How deep is the female vagina when aroused? So the depth of the vagina can vary significantly between individuals and can also change depending on various factors such as arousal and position. When a woman is aroused, the vagina typically expands and lengthens, making it more accommodating during sexual intercourse. On average, the depth of an aroused vagina is about 4 to 6 inches, so 10 to 15 centimeters. However, it's important to note that the vagina is a highly elastic and flexible organ, capable of stretching further to accommodate objects like tampons, fingers, or a penis during intercourse. Additionally, the cervix can lift up and move out of the way during arousal, creating more space in the vaginal canal. So for all of you guys out there, between 4 to 6 inches, that's pretty much all the space, at least typically, that woman can handle inside. So if you're in that range, you should be doing great. Does penis size matter to women? So, opinions on the importance of penis size can vary greatly among women, as individual preference and experience play a significant role in shaping personal views. Some women may place importance on size, while others may prioritize other factors such as emotional connection, sexual technique, or other physical attributes. Many studies have shown that women consider factors like communication, intimacy, and trust to be more important for sexual satisfaction than penis size. Furthermore, it's worth noting that the majority of nerve endings responsible for sexual pleasure in the vagina are located within the first few inches of the vaginal opening, meaning that sexual satisfaction can be achieved with a wide range of penis sizes. Ultimately, it's crucial to remember that sexual satisfaction and compatibility are influenced by various factors, including individual preferences and quality of the emotional connection between partners. How big of a penis is too big? Okay, so it's not giving me exact numbers, it's just rambling all over the place to tell me that for some people this is big, for some this is small, so it's not really giving me an answer here. What size penis is considered too small? And again, it's trying to be very politically correct here. Okay, so it's actually giving me some numbers. So it's saying there's no definitive size that is considered too small, as individual preference and comfort levels vary greatly. It's essential to remember that sexual satisfaction is influenced by various factors, blah, 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 as he mentioned before. In medical terms, a penis is considered to have micropenis condition if it's measured less than 2.75 inches, which is about 7 centimeters when erect. This condition is relatively rare, affecting approximately 0.6% of the male population. It is important to note that even with a smaller penis, satisfying sexual experience can still be achieved through open communication with your partner, focusing on other forms of pleasure and utilizing different positions and techniques. Alright, seems like ChatGPT is really caring about people's feelings and trying to comfort everybody. What are the ways to make penis bigger? Okay, so it actually gave me an in-depth answer with different kind of techniques. So there is a lot of misinformation and myths surrounding the idea of making a penis bigger. While some methods claim to increase penis size, the efficacy and safety of those approaches can be questionable. Here are some of the common methods and their effectiveness. So pills and supplements. There's no scientific evidence that oral pills, creams, or supplements can effectively increase penis size. Many of these products lack proper research and can potentially cause harm and side effects. Secondly, penis pumps. So vacuum devices or penis pumps work by creating creating a vacuum around the penis, drawing blood into the penile tissue and temporarily enlarging it. While penis pumps can provide short-term results and help with erectile dysfunction, their long-term effectiveness in increasing penis size is not proven, and they can potentially cause injury if used incorrectly. Third method is jelqing. This is a manual technique that involves massaging the penis with a milking motion to force blood into the penile tissue. There is limited evidence supporting the effectiveness of jelqing, and it can potentially lead to injury, scarring, or erectile dysfunction if not performed correctly, which is, by the way, exactly what I said in my previous videos. Number 4, which is surgery. So penile enlargement surgery, or phalloplasty, is an invasive procedure that can potentially increase penis size. There are 2 main types of penile enlargement surgery: lengthening surgery, which involves cutting the suspensory ligaments that attach the penis to the pubic bone, and girth enhancement surgery, which involves injecting fat and other materials into the penis. These surgeries come with risks, including infection, scarring, and loss of sensation or function. It is crucial to consult with a qualified medical professional before considering such procedures. And number 5, which is my favorite one, traction devices. So penile extenders are devices that apply traction to the penis, theoretically stretching the penile tissue over time. Some studies have shown modest increase in length with consistent use over several months, but more research is needed to establish their effectiveness and safety. Okay, so at least I agree with the AI on the fact that penis extenders might actually increase penis size. And since ChatGPT mentioned that penis extenders or stretchers are one of the only ways to make your penis bigger in a safe way, I'm gonna link to the penis extender that I recommend and I use myself in the description of this video as well, so make sure to check it out. Which sex positions make the girl feel that my penis is big? Okay, so while individual preference may vary, some sexual positions can create the sensation of increased fullness or deeper penetration for the receiving partner, making the penis feel harder. Here are some positions that might be worth trying. Doggy style. The position allows for deeper penetration, which can make the penis feel larger. The partner being penetrated can adjust the angle of their hips and the depth of the penetration to find the most comfortable and pleasurable position. Second, legs on the shoulder. So in this position, the partner being penetrated lies on their back with their legs resting on the penetrating partner's shoulders. The position can enable deeper penetrations and create the feeling of fullness. 3. Spooning. Actually, I totally disagree with this one, but let's read it anyway. The penetrating partner lies behind the partner being penetrated, both facing the same direction. This position allows for penetration from behind and can create a feeling of fullness while offering a more intimate and close experience. I totally agree about the intimate, close experience, but I think spooning is one of the worst positions to making her feel that you're big because there's so much things in the way. Number 4 is modified missionary. So the receiving partner lies on their back with their legs bent and feet flat on the bed sheet surface. The penetrating partner then positions themselves between the receiving partner's legs while placing their hands or elbows on either side of the partner's torso for support. This position allows for deeper penetration and G-spot stimulation. With this one, I totally agree, and I think it's a position that you should definitely try with your partner. Okay, number 5. I have no idea which position is that. It's called cat, or coital alignment technique. This modified missionary position involves the penetrating partner positioning their body higher up on the receiving partner with their pelvises aligned. The base of the penis provides increased clitoral stimulation, and the alignment may make the penis feel bigger. So there you have it. That is ChatGPT's opinion about penis size and how to make it bigger or to make it feel bigger. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you leave it a thumbs up and let me know what you think about the answers that ChatGPT gave us here. Anyways, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye-bye.